Things are getting a lot more interesting as it appears Kylie Jenner and Travis Scott are quarantining together in Palm Springs, and there's video to prove it. I wonder what Mason Disick has to say about this one. I'm getting into the latest with Kylie and Travis right now, so stay right here to keep up. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. I know here for the latest with Kylie and Travis, but first please give this video a share, double check you're subscribed, and don't forget that notification bell. Over the weekend, Kylie Jenner revealed that her and Stormi had changed quarantine locations from Calabasas to Mama Chris's Palm Springs vacation home. However, the two ladies were not alone, as Mama Chris was there along with Travis Scott, and we know this thanks to this video Kylie posted of Chris trying to make a pizza in the outdoor oven. Listen for the end and you can hear Travis ask if it's hot.
I think I just should leave it alone.
In addition to that, Travis also posted on his own Instagram a video of Stormi dancing by the pool, proving that yes, he's there with Kylie and the family while they're quarantining in Palm Springs. Last month, a source told ET that Kylie and Travis were back together and that they had been for about a month, which we were starting to believe until Mason Disick came along with his Instagram live and said they're not.
No, Kylie and Travis are not back together.
Personally, I don't know what to believe here. While part of me thinks that Kylie and Travis are just simply co-parenting together during this time, the other part of me believes that she wouldn't have invited him to Palm Springs with Mama Chris if they weren't at least on their way to being more than that. However, truly, I'm 50-50 here, which is exactly why I need you guys to weigh in with your opinions. What is your reaction to Kylie and Travis seemingly quarantining together? What do you think of their relationship status? Let it out down below. For more on the Kardashians, check out our channel. After that, hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell.